Let's see. Oh! What? 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 It's another weapon, but it's not. How could the game do this? Oh my god, just look at that! A disclaimer before we start. This year there were a beast flower, and I got it by one pull. I one pull a beast flower this year. So I'm going to repeat the history and get 7 Thunder of Retribution using one card that I have right now. Let's go. No! I got my hopes so high. I got my hopes too high. But I think let's go with a multi. I'm so nervous. Okay, here we go. Where is it? Where is it? Please let it be weapon. Please let it be weapon. No, it's a stigmata! It's a stigmata! Oh my god. Trojan FT. 9 pulls. I hope it doesn't take that much. I'ma do singles. Oh, another stigmata. 1 Zengi B. One Zengi B. Okay. Oh! No! Wrong weapon! No! Wrong weapon! Oh no! No! Oh my god! I got so many 4 stars in very short pulls. I lost count. 35, I've pulled 15. I already pulled 15. Oh my god. I really want to save. Let's see. Oh! What? 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 It's another weapon, but it's not. How could the game do this? Oh my god, just look at that! Oh my god! You're playing with me! You can't be serious! Oh my god! Oh... Yeah, it's bait to bait. Let's continue with singles. I think I have higher luck doing singles. But damn, look at that! 4 off rates in 10 pull. Oh, I've never been that lucky. So I'm almost. Oh, this is the 20th pull. That's it. No. It's gonna be so hard. Let's see. Should I do a multi? Yeah, let's do a multi. No. I really want to save, but let's do a multi then. Where is it? Please be early. Please be early. Please, lol. Why you have to be stigmata? Oh my god. No, is that it? 5k. I don't need any more Zenyi. I got a lot of Zenyi already. Okay, so 6 pulls. I'm gonna do another 6 pulls and then we see. I hope I don't have to hit the 50 marks, you know. Oh, I'm being drained. Okay, this one is guaranteed. Wait, 2 more. Well, okay, 1 more pulse. Let it be 7 Thunder of Retribution. Please, I shine. Come home. No, what? Oh. Oh. I'm speechless. I have no words to say. Oh my god. What is wrong? What I'm doing wrong? Maybe I should have put May on the bridge. I don't know what is wrong. May, come on, I'm trying to give you a new weapon. 14 pulls. I have enough for a multi then. Let's do a multi. Where is it? There we go. Oh my god. It took so long. It took too long. And there it is. Yeah, I should have put May on the bridge. I should have put May on the bridge. Yeah, it takes so many crystals. It's so painful. Come on, May. I should have done it. Oh well. We at least got it. From almost 14k down to 1k. Oh man, that took a lot. No, even if I'm going for the outfit, I don't have enough. So yeah. Zenyi could be a bless, or it could also be a curse. But let's craft its preamp. Look at that. Look at that. wait. I need to take a look at this weapon first. It reminds me a lot of Ayaka's weapon, Mist Splitter. The colors, the blade. It reminds me a lot of Mist Splitter. Don't be sad. You will get it one day. Don't worry. So let's forge its preamp form. Yeah. Let's equip it on Hershey of Thunder. And now enhance it. I hope I have enough materials to max it. Speedrun. Speedrun. So many preamp. Oh my god, I don't have 20. I don't have 16. Wait, give a lot of these. So let's 15, 18. Yeah, kaboom. And I'm dry. No mats anymore. Wait, I don't even have this. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, it happens too frequent now. Wait, how do you not got hunt by Zenyi? You guys got Zenyi. Yeah, I do get Zenyi myself here. I got 2 pieces. Bro, it's not enough yet, what? Finally. Yeah. HoT, her show of thunder, she's done. And no more math. What did it cost? Everything.